presenting a pre-owned 2001 Cadillac DeVille. This four-door sedan has an 8-cylinder, 4.6-liter V8 engine with front-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Cadillac has less than 67,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include power windows, window defogger, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, airbags, anti-lock brakes, power door locks, and traction control.